Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fan-made posters on mobile. First, you'll want to pick a good mobile editing app. Look for one that offers layer functionality, which is super important for combining different elements. A common poster size is around 2,000 pixels wide by 3,000 pixels tall, giving you plenty of space. Take a few moments to get comfortable with the app's layout and where all the essential tools are located. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative journey. Next, let's gather your visual assets. Search for high-resolution images that will serve as your background and the central figures of your poster. Many apps have built-in tools to easily remove backgrounds from your subject images, or you can use a dedicated online service. Once you have your background image ready, import it directly into your editing application. Place it on the very first layer, establishing the base for your fan-made masterpiece. Now it's time to bring your poster to life by adding more elements. Import your main subject images, each on its own new layer, and carefully adjust their size and placement. You can also add extra graphic elements, such as logos or textures, on separate layers to enhance the visual appeal. Don't forget the text. Use the text tool to add titles, memorable quotes, or character names, experimenting with different fonts and colors to match your theme. Finally, let's refine your poster with some finishing touches. Experiment with color adjustments, filters, or various effects to create a cohesive and professional look across all your elements. Take a moment to review every layer, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned and visually balanced. Once you are completely satisfied with your creation, export your fan-made poster. Choose a high-quality image format, such as PNG or JPEG, to preserve all the intricate details you've worked so hard on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.